Hello बच्चों, Assalamu alaikum. As all of you know, the books are in the process of change because of SNC implementation. नई किताबें आने तक हम इन्हीं किताबों से काम करेंगे ताकि आप फारग ना बैठे और कुछ न कुछ काम करते रहें। मेहनत से काम करें, मेहनत कामयाबी की कुंजी है। अपना काम साफ सुथरा, तवज्जो से और बिल्कुल दुरुस्त अंदाज में करें। SST क्लास 6 Day 9 वीक 3 का होमवर्क है। What did the Aryan learn from the local people? The Aryans learned agriculture from the local people. They also learned to live in settlement as they were nomads before. Science class 6 describe the structure of human heart. A human heart consists of 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. English class 6. Why did the writer think that the sounds were rather unusual? The writer thought it unusual because the sound was coming, but he could not see any person moving there. Day 10. SST class 6. What was Buddha's name? The Buddha's name was Siddhartha. He was a Buddhism saint. He gave the Buddhism to the people of subcontinent. Class 6 Science. What is digestion? Where does digestion of food take place in humans? Digestion is a process by which insoluble foods such as proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are broken down by the action of enzyme into simple soluble substances. English class 6. Mother did not use the phone at home to call police because the phone was downstairs. She thought that the burglars was there downstairs, so she did not go to use the phone there. Day 11. SST class 6. In your own words, write about the event that changed Prince Siddhartha's life. Siddhartha was kept in a palace for 29 years. Then he saw first time the outside world, but the outside real life changed his life completely. Science class 6. Name the parts of the nervous system. Nervous system consists of nerve cells. These cells work to brain and spinal cord. English class 6. Who do you think is funnier, mother or grandfather? Give instances to scout your answer. Both of them act funnier. Mother when threw stones to the neighbor's window and grandfather when tried to shoot the policeman. Day 12. SST class 6. Explain the difference between dharma and karma. Karma means all those actions of a person which affect his fate in this life and the next.